How to verify with Rover Discord bot. In this video, I'll show you how to verify with Rover Discord bot. So to get started, go ahead and open rover.link, and then from here, click on sign in at the top right. And then into this section, as you can see, you'll be able to log in with your Discord account on Rover, and make sure that your Discord account is the age above 13 to continue. So click on login with Discord account, and then that will redirect you into the section where you'll need to authorize Rover to have access to your Discord account. So scroll down and click on authorize, and then you'll be logged into Rover. So click on verification at the top right, and then here are some important things you need to know to get a step ahead of bad people who want to steal your account. So you'll be able to find that in here. So click on this check off 6 more, and you'll be able to get redirected to your Roblox account. So click on this login with Roblox, and then click on continue, and then authorize Rover to have access to your Roblox account. And this will get you back to Rover. And as you can see, that is how you can basically verify your account on Rover. So all of the game accounts that you have connected on Discord can easily be verified on Rover. And that is how you can basically verify your account on Rover.